Hi guys, what's up? My name is Khyati and welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. So before starting this video, I am hosting a giveaway today as we have hit 10k subscribers. So the giveaway is at the end of the video, so check it out. And starting with today's video, today I'm back with another photography idea video. So I'm going to show you two different ways of photography ideas using food wrappers. So I hope you enjoy watching this. And also I've got a lot of comments from you guys asking me that how do I edit my pictures, which app do I use. So today, along with photography idea, I'm also going to show you an editing tutorial for both of those pictures, like the both ideas. So I hope you found this helpful. So the app that I'm going to use to edit my pictures is the B612 app, and in that app you can click your pictures, edit your photos and videos too. I've made a detailed review on that app. You can check it out somewhere here. So let's just directly jump into the video now.
So for the first idea, I'm using these food wrappers as my prop and also some filled packets and a box of Pringles which I'll use while posing. So I'll randomly just start sticking these food wrappers on the wall. There is no particular order. So I've been collecting these food wrappers for months now, but if you're someone who don't eat so much of packet food, then I have a quick tutorial which I'll be posting after this video, so stay tuned for that. So after sticking all the wrappers, my setup is ready and it looks something like this. This is so colorful and so vibrant. So I'll quickly just start posing. So for the poses, I'm using a kurkure packet, like I'm eating the kurkure and giving some natural and candid pictures, and same with the Pringles box, and this is how my pictures turned out.
So now for the editing tutorial of this video, open the B612 app, go to the edit, click start to edit, import the picture that you want to edit, and your picture and your screen will look something like this. And follow the process that I'm showing you here step by step, and you will have the exact same edit like mine. So my photo is edited now, and this is the before and after of the edit.
So for the second idea, I'm using chocolate wrappers. So you can see I have a lot of chocolate wrappers. Fun fact, I'm a collector of chocolate wrappers and I've been collecting them for like lot of years now, so I have a lot of them. So just scatter the chocolate wrappers all around and leave some space in the middle for you to lay down, and then just lay down and start clicking pictures. Use a chocolate to click some candid pictures like you are eating the chocolate and having fun with them, and these are the end results. So for the editing tutorial of this photo, import your photo in the B612 app and follow the process that I'm showing you here step by step. So my photo is edited now, and this is the before and after of the edit. So for the giveaway, I am giving away this Boat earphones. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway is mentioned on the screen. So please follow the rules, and I'll announce the winner on my Instagram. So go follow me there. So that was it for my today's video, you guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you recreate any of these ideas, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. And also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye.